The Ford F-150 isn't just a truck, it's an American icon. But when buying used, not every model year is worth your money. Some are known for legendary reliability, while others can turn into expensive nightmares. In this video, we'll cover the best Ford F-150 years to buy, the most reliable models, the best interiors, and the worst years you should avoid at all costs. Whether you need a dependable daily driver or a tough work truck, this guide will help you find the right used F-150. The Golden Era, 2011 to 2014. First up, we have to talk about the 12th generation, specifically 2011 to 2014. These are widely considered some of the best years for sheer reliability. Why? Because this is when Ford introduced the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 and the 3.5-liter EcoBoost. While the early EcoBoosts had some teething issues, the 2014 model represents the pinnacle of this generation. If you want a truck that just works, the 2014 is one of the best model years you can find on the used market today. The interior might feel a bit dated compared to modern standards, but the build quality is top tier. The Aluminum Revolution, 2015 to 2017. In 2015, Ford changed the game with an all-aluminum body shedding 700 pounds. This makes 2015 one of the best to buy years if you care about fuel economy and rust resistance. The 2015 to 2017 trucks offer a much more modern interior and improved tech. However, keep in mind that the early 10-speed transmissions introduced in late 2017 can sometimes be a bit jerky. For maximum reliability, look for the 2.7-liter EcoBoost in these years. It's surprisingly robust and a sleeper hit for value. The worst years to buy. Now, let's talk about the worst years, the ones that will live in your mechanic's garage more than your driveway. Avoid the 2004 and 2005 models at all costs. These were plagued with spark plug issues and cam phaser failures on the 5.4-liter Triton engine. Additionally, 2010 is widely cited as one of the worst to buy due to persistent engine and transmission complaints. These trucks are significantly less reliable than later models and can be a huge financial burden as a used purchase. The Modern Sweet Spot, 2018 to 2020. If your budget allows, the 2018 to 2020 models are arguably the best years for a mix of modern luxury and performance. The 2020 model in particular is one of the best model years because Ford had ironed out almost all the kinks from the 10-speed transmission and the aluminum body transition. The interior in these years rivals luxury SUVs, especially in Lariat and King Ranch trims. If you're looking for the best to buy for long-distance comfort and tech, this is your sweet spot. Final verdict and buyer tips. To summarize, your best years for value and durability are 2014 and 2020. Your worst years to avoid are 2004, 2005, and 2010. When shopping for a used F-150, always check the service history for oil changes, especially on EcoBoost models, and listen for any rattle on cold starts. Reliability comes down to how it was treated, but starting with the right year is half the battle. If you found this guide to the Ford F-150 best years to buy helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more truck buying guides. What's your favorite year of the F-150? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.